hydroponics system using plastic bottles.
Warning, a lot of soda used. Also, don't add miracle juice every day or the plant will not grow. Make sure to wash it down with water as well.
Hello, we are Tina,
Amanda,
and Nitya. What is a hydroponic system? A hydroponic system has very low maintenance. It is also an efficient way to grow plants without soil. This can happen by using mineral nutrient solution.
How does this work? Hydroponic systems work by allowing small control over environmental conditions like temperature and exposure to water. They operate under a very simple rule, which is to provide plants exactly with what they need in a small amount of time.
cost of the project, about $63. Worth it. Some things used like peanuts are household items, so the cost of that was not included. You can find some of these items at your local grocery store or Amazon.com.
Materials used: 5 soda bottles, 14 plastic cups, some type of bean, markers, water, hydroponic solution, and 14 sponges.
Procedure. There were many steps that we had to do to build this hydroponic system, and here is a demonstration on how we did it. Other details will be demonstrated in the pictures if it is not clear.
Step 1. Cut the bottles. The bottles we used for this project are 2-liter soda bottles. We got 5 of those bottles and we cut 2 holes inside each one. Each hole should be able to fit a plastic cup inside. We are also going to cut the bottle caps of the bottles so that the water can flow. For the bottle in the middle, we are going to cut 4 extra small holes on each side so that the bottles can connect to it.
Step 2. Glue the bottles. Next, we glue the bottles together, 1 in the middle and 2 on each side, so that there is enough space for each plant. Super glue or hot glue should be strong enough to hold the bottles together.
Step 3. Cut the sponges and the cups, then put the sponges into the cups. We are going to take the 14 sponges that we bought and cut them in half so it can fit. Next, we are going to cut a hole from the top to the bottom, which the plant is going to grow from. After we have cut all 14 of the sponges, we are going to place them into the cups. We are also going to cut a hole in the 14 plastic cups so that the water can actually reach the plant.
Step 4. Put in the seeds and put the cups into the soda bottles. After we have put the sponges into the cups, we are going to push the seeds to the bottom of the cup where the sponge is. We cut a slit into the sponge to put the seed in. We are going to use groundnuts. Once we are done with that, we are going to put the cups into the holes we have made in the soda bottles.
Step 5. Putting water inside the bottles. Now we will put water inside the middle bottle and it will flow out to the others. It is time to wait for the plants to grow. The water should be about halfway filled on all the bottles.
Here's a graph of what we did with the day and the progress. Day 1, there were no sprouts. Day 2, it started to sprout. Day 3, it stayed the same as day 2. Day 4, it grew a little bit more, and day 5, which was the final result, it stayed the same.
Here are some pictures. On the left, it is a picture of the 5 bottles put together. On the right side, it is an example of one of the cups which has sprouted over the 5 days.
Conclusion. There were a lot of struggles while we were working on the project, but at the end, the plants did grow into small sprouts, and if we continue to water them, they will grow even bigger. Our plants ended up going to be white because of the seed we used. This can overall be a great and efficient way to grow plants.
Thank you.
Thank you.